Hi, I'm Alexander, and today I'm so excited. I'm sharing with you the new stuff from the Amore Collection, and I love Amore. Amore is quality, it's branding, it's beautiful, it's always got the best colours, the nicest fits. Amore is here 2025, and I want to talk to you about this amazing style. So this is Rohan, okay? So Rohan is a heat-friendly style. Let me just take her off here. You can see she's curly or wavy. She's got a long bob, so like a lob, if you like. She's really, really nice. She's heat-friendly fibre, so I can either make her more wavy, more curly, straighten it if I want to. And she's very light. I mean, look at that swish in there. The swish is amazing. So I just turn her inside out a little bit. Want to show you the cap construction. So she's got a full mono, extended lace, the adjustable straps at the nape, open wefted cap. Look at all that flex in there. So the material is just so giving and forgiving and just fits so beautifully. Now we are dealing with a new colour. This is Cinnamon Frost R. So the R stands for the root. So we've got this lovely root here, this gorgeous cinnamon colour, and the frost is like the lights. So we've got those gorgeous lights running through. So this is Rohan. Now, wanted to show you Rohan in this colour as well. So look at this colour. So this one is just amazing, just sits really nice, loads of swing, loads of movement, just like the other Rohan. And this colour is Tress Chocolate R. So a very chocolatey tone with a root, and again, these nice icy highlights in there. So just look at her on the head. Look at that. Fabulous. Fabulous. So this one is Rohan from the Amore Collection. So now I'd like to talk about the next one. I love a topper. Love a topper, and especially a heat-friendly topper. The reason why I love a heat-friendly topper is you can make it curlier, straighter, but ultimately make it match with your own texture. So that's really important. Now this topper itself is the medium wavy TP. So TP stands for top piece. We've got a lace front, we've got the mono here, and of course we've got a bit of width in the base here as well, which looks great. And we have these clips. So we've got 5 adjustable clips which just pop into your bio hair. Now this is great. I'm just gonna pop it on top of the mannequin so you guys can see how this sits. And I'm just gonna just gently turn her around onto the mannequin so you can see what we're dealing with. Look at that. And this is a lovely new colour. This is melted sand, which is just gorgeous. Really nice sandy blonde with that lovely melted root. So just looking at her, how great does that look? I mean, you know, just to quickly show you, even putting it on my own head real quick, you know, look how flat that sits. Really flat, really snug. And I know if I was a long-haired lady or gentleman, I could really tuck that in, make it look great. So this one is our new topper, the medium wavy TP mono, and it's amazing. So now coming up to my final style of 2025 in the Amore Collection, and I want to show you this absolute beauty. So this beautiful style is Mira. Now Mira, again, is a heat-friendly style, which I love, by the way. So heat-friendly is great because, again, we can work with the texture, looks fantastic. Now, this one itself she's not straight and she's not wavy and curly. She's kind of got that bit of a natural texture. So if somebody's bio hair was curly, they blow dried it straight, the gorgeous little kicks and flicks are coming out of it, just like that texture, which I really, really love. Looks very natural. So our key points here, so Mira has an extended lace. So the lace front is nice and extended, so you have much more coverage of an area where it looks like it's growing out of your head. She is fully hand-tied, apart from the mono, which is just fantastic. So we have all of this area, which is hand-tied in soft net. Of course, the adjustable straps are at the nape, so you can change the the shape or change the texture if you need, sorry, the size, which then, you know, is great. If you've got a larger head, it will give. If a smaller head, you can pull these, tighten it up. And a full mono here, which means we can change the parting from left to right, front to back, and make it as individual as you are. So that one was Mira, and let's have a look at this colour as well. So this colour here is the spiced Mocha-R. So really interesting colour this, really interesting. So it's unbalanced. At first I think it's quite dark. And then when we look, we've got these really nice, let me turn the head round a little bit. We've got these really nice kind of, you know, deeper red lowlights and lighter highlights running through. Absolutely amazing. So that concludes my introduction of the new Amore collection for 2025. What do you like? What do you love here? For me, I'm completely on the fence. I love the topper, love this bob, really love the curly bob as well in the Rohan. Let us know what's your favourite. I love reading the comments. We get a lot from it and your feedback means the world to us. So thanks for tuning in. I'm Alexander, this is René of Paris, and this has been Amore 2025. See you later. Thank you very much. Bye.